First off, I want to start by saying why I haven't been uploading. Even though I only got my 6 little subs that be tapping in, I still want to post this video because why not? But I haven't been uploading because internet problems, video quality, and being late. And what I mean by being late is that when I was playing Modern Warfare, I was going to play it for a while and then switch content. But I didn't want to upload because of the quality of my videos. And no, I don't mean resolution. I mean what was put into them. When I first started playing Modern Warfare, I wasn't the best, but my movement was pretty good, so I was just going to start posting videos. But I would see other people's content and think maybe I should improve before I start making videos. So I started practicing. But the thing about that was I started late in the game when it was already pretty old. But Modern Warfare 2 wasn't out yet. So I was going to make use of the time that I already had left. And I didn't. And Modern Warfare 2 already had beta testing, had a release date, and by that time I just started to peak in Modern Warfare. My game sense improved crazy, my movement got better, faster, everything was good, and I was ready to start posting clips. And by that point, Modern Warfare 2 was already out, so I felt like it wouldn't be relevant to play the first one anymore. I tried beta testing on Modern Warfare 2, and it was completely different from the first Modern Warfare. The movement was destroyed, the maps were back alley trash. I didn't like it at all, so I just stopped, gave up, and focused on my other games. And after that, I just thought switching content would be pointless, so I just didn't upload. But now, I thought maybe I should play some other stuff and play like newer games like everybody else. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna play Jedi Survivor, Mortal Kombat 1, which I've been waiting to play even since I was playing Modern. Tekken 8, Street Fighter 6, maybe. I don't know. I'd have to see, but yeah, like I just want to play a bunch of different games. Like I'll see what I can play. And even though this video was completely unneeded, I just like to hear myself talk. And I wanted to test out this new mic. So like yeah, like you know what I'm saying. I just want to ask like how y'all doing, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know my little 6 subscribers that I got, you know what I'm saying? Like yeah, you know. Yeah. But anyway, I got like I got like 3 more clips after this Mortal Kombat clip. Like I'm gonna just let them play. I mean, I don't know if y'all gonna finish this video. It's probably like 8 minutes. But yeah, I just wanted to say that like even though I didn't have to make this video, like I could have just started posting whatever I wanted to at any time. I just didn't want to have no context behind like 3 Modern Warfare videos with like no context behind it. I just thought it would be weird because I'm not vaulting those videos. I'm gonna let them stay up. Like even if it was just short-lived, like even though I could have made like way more videos because my goal was to make like 30 videos, but I never got around to doing that. And I was supposed to make like 30 videos before Christmas, but like I said, never got around to doing that. And I wanted to, but like, you know what I'm saying, things just didn't go as planned. And I already had haters talking about I wasn't gonna be consistent. Like people was calling me, like they was saying I was gonna be just like Corey. See, look, the toxic. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna let these little clips finish playing, and then you know what I'm saying. If y'all make it to the end, well, actually, nah, I'm gonna come back and then I'm gonna say something like at the end. I'm gonna say like a word, and if y'all get that word, like just put it in the comments. Like if y'all did watch it that far, like we already 5 minutes in, so you might as well finish the video. You got like 3 minutes left. Don't be one of those people. Come on now. Like if you made it this far, just finish the video. Just finish the video. Oh yeah, and I know you hear that banger background music. I know you hear that music, boy.
Happiness and depression, I'm stuck inside the middle. I let my master get you fuck it off. We spend it all on fast cars and shining crystals. My youngest hard listening, ain't playing no games. We really want him dead, he got hit up close range. He fucked up in the head, he wanna see some more brains. On that corner, I can stay about that dope game. My cousin got indicted dealing cocaine. She an Instagram addict, she want more fame. I used to starve, now I'm blowing up like propane. Told my inner self, I promise you I won't change. Bonding over drugs and pain, dirty Sprite share. My dog was one of a kind, I know your type rare. I know life is a bitch and she don't fight fair. How the fuck I wake up from a dream to a nightmare? Left us behind, you seen that light glare. I know you walking up to heaven on the white stair. Why I can't just pull up to your crib and see you right there? Nobody love you till you dead, that's when they might care. Let's just be friends before we rush into a label. Wanna know if you really for me, girl, what's your angle? It's only for the better if I'm trying to change you. Loving me ain't easy, if you leave, I don't blame you. Mama got me fucked up, so I'm mentally unstable. I got wrapped up in my emotions, now I'm tangled. Deep in my thoughts and overthinking can get painful. Watch how I move, on wrong decision can be fatal. Hidden messages, conversations with my angels. Just walk with me and you will see I'm trying to save you. Most times I'm by myself, I'm still confused from betrayal. From rags to riches, shit still hard, I'm just on phase 2. Bonding over drugs and pain, dirty Sprite share. My dog was one of a kind, I know your type rare. I know life is a bitch and she don't fight fair. How the fuck I wake up from a dream to a nightmare? Left us behind, you seen that light glare. I know you walking up.
Go ahead, comment Captain Crunch in the comments. I'm watching you right now. Go ahead, comment Captain Crunch. Do it. Come get you some crunchy, boy.
Running out of options now, cause he feel like he couldn't be himself at his mama house. Hidden licks, missing school, junior year, he thought about dropping out. Him against the world, 40 on him when he popping out. On this dark road, he just trying to find a proper route. Take the criticism, he uses music to block it. Last until he was molested as a baby boy. Messed up his head, it even changed the way he played with toys. Up late night rapping and they calling up with making noise. Stuck in his feelings, he been spinning every day annoyed. You wanna stand over a nigga, leave his face destroyed. He miss his hood, now it's something that he can't avoid.
Alright, I'm gonna see y'all whenever I post again. Whenever that is.